Video, I'm going to show you the barn find 2008 Nissan Xterra I just bought. It is July 27th, 2025. So this vehicle is 17 years old and you won't believe how low the miles that are on it. We're going to check it out inside and out and tell me what you guys think. Here's the driver's side. There's really no dents or dings on this side. The front fender and the rear quarter has some white rub marks, like it may have rubbed along something or someone drug a bag alongside it, which I think I can buff out. But as far as the driver's side goes, there really nothing needs to be done. It's in pretty good shape. So before I even drove this car home, I drove it down the road to the nearest discount tire and got some brand new tires put on it. It had the original tires from 2008. They had great tread, but they were so dry cracked that I could grab pieces and peel off the tire. So before I made the 122 miles home, I put brand new tires on it from Discount Tire. See that? The original brake rotor. Now the brakes did not work very good at all, so I drove it home very carefully. Let's take a look at the caliper over here. So I will be ordering new brakes and calipers for this, that's for sure. Now it had the original headlight housings in, and I actually just finished putting in new ones about 20 minutes ago because they were so fogged over. There's no way I could have polished them out. So I put on brand new headlight housings. This side is the one with the most defects. You can see these scratches all along this rear quarter right here. And then the passenger side door has this great big dent right down here at the bottom. And then as we come up to the front fender, you'll see some scratches right along here. If you look at the back hatch, it's pretty well perfect. Rear hatch open, if you take a look inside here, the actual carpet looks super nice. There's really not much for scratches in here at all, so hardly anything has ever been hauled in the back of this. Looks like we got a little stain right here in the seat, but that's about it for the back. To look at the back seat, I don't see any stains or any marks on the back seat at all. And if we come down here and take a look at the floor, doesn't look like anyone has ever even sat in the back of this vehicle. Here to the driver's side, looks like there's just some grass and twigs and stuff in here I need to vacuum out yet. And if we look at the driver's seat, it is discolored just a little bit, but not too bad at all. Now let's check out the passenger side. Kind of the same thing, just need a little vacuuming. Come up here in the seat, looks like there's a pair of safety glasses laying there. Passenger side seat looks super clean. Now, one way to know for sure if the miles have ever been messed with, you definitely don't want to see any wear on any of the buttons in the vehicle. And there is virtually no wear on any of these buttons. And you also want to check the window buttons. No wear. So this is a pretty good indicator that these miles are accurate. Now I did already hose off and kind of clean the engine because I want to check all the fluids, air filter, all that stuff, brake fluid. So I just didn't want to get all filthy dirty, so I did power wash the engine off first. I did notice that the previous owner did put in a new interstate battery in October of 2024. Miles are on this 2008 Nissan Xterra. 26,248 miles. So if you're ever looking at an older, super low mile car, there's always a couple things that are a dead giveaway. Especially if they have the original tires on it, they should have almost brand new looking tread, but severely dry cracked. And like this one, I could actually take chunks and peel it off. They should have all the original brakes. You definitely can look at all the controls, especially the window controls and climate controls. There should be no wear on any of those buttons. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.